Now this is a crossover nobody expected. Siya Kolisi and Black Coffee, two South African giants, both navigating very public divorces, have quietly shown each other nothing but love and respect. Siya recently shared a clip of Black Coffee rocking the decks and simply called him Grootman, a title reserved for men of stature, wisdom and influence. And coming from the Springbok captain, that's not light praise. The respect goes way back in Rise. The Siya Kolisi story: Black Coffee called Siya a born leader and said he gives South Africans a much needed glimmer of hope, mutual admiration, real recognized real. But here's where it gets interesting. Their ex-wives are mirroring their same energy. Rachel Kolisi and Enhle Mbali have been quietly supporting each other online, liking and commenting under posts, united by shared experiences of holding families together while their parents lived high-profile, demanding lives. Both women have spoken about sacrifice and betrayal. Enhle openly accused Black Coffee of infidelity, while Rachel has hinted that there's a lot the public still doesn't know about her marriage to Siya. So while the men move forward, respect and praised, the women are reclaiming their voices. No noise, no chaos, just healing, and a lot of untold stories.